Okay, let's see if we can do this. Well, I totally leak my local password information and got some snacks. Cool. Cool, everything's working. Hello. And guess who? Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Today, we're doing something completely different. No gaming, but software. Quick intro, what is Oengus? Ooh, website is fast. Ooh. Ooh. It's ridiculously fast all of a sudden. What has happened? See, now this is the slowness I would expect. Skill, stepping sleep. Well, that's good. I'm happy to have helped you fall asleep. It's just not loading anything. Also, I'm sorry about the weird aspect ratio on stream. The laptop that I have in front of me, it has a 2:3 aspect ratio, but I only have a 4:3 display. So we'll have to do it like this. It's a bit warped, but it should be fine. Also, remote desktop is fun. Cursor is blinking for some reason. I don't know why the cursor is blinking. Yeah, this is gonna take hours. Yeah, that is fine. My YouTube channel isn't monetized, so go ahead. You won't get any ads. Anyway, I need to write this to this new program. I can close you. That's... Yeah, I mean, that's fine. I like started streaming 2 minutes ago. People will get in when they want to. I want to switch to this project because you have a little bit more database stuff going on. So, what's the first thing I want to do? So schedule, unschedule. I guess what I want to do. Can I show this? I can show that. Okay, so what I want to do is get marathons. Where submission start is after now. And get marathons where submission end is after now. So those are my first 2 tasks, and then I'll do the rest. How am I doing? I am doing great. A little bit of stress this morning when the entire website collapsed in on itself. That was fun. But other than that, doing pretty good. Oh yeah, it's definitely squished. So this little text screen for me is square. It's definitely rectangular. That's fine. So now that I know what to do, I need to go to my database. And let's just say YouTube. I'm gonna move these 2 functions to the bottom. I have here close and open submissions. Okay, so for function, open marathon, sure. There. Find marathons to open submissions. And submissions are open. Alright, submissions are closed. And submissions are open. Because I need to invert the thing. You didn't have a mental breakdown today? That's fair, I guess. Yeah, I don't really have a live schedule. I usually just go live whenever I feel like going live. Can I do this? Yeah, can we get color? So SQL project dialect is Postgres. There you are, Postgres. Select star ID from marathon where submits open is false. And let's think about this. Oh, you got the flu? Oh no, that sucks to hear. I'm so sorry. Meanwhile, Twitch is blowing my dashboard up with notifications. That is not distracting at all. Thank you, Twitch. Where submits open and submission start date is greater than now. That should be it. Right, this should be it. So what do I do then? Can I get my connection? Then I run the query, and if it fails, I'll shut down. Sure. But I actually need to fetch stuff. And I can't, and I'm not doing that in this project, so I need to go to the Discord bot. This is all just local stuff. Okay, so here I return. Got it. So I just basically return the error. So we have a list marathon or an error. Okay, so, and these are our rows. What returns a list? Where do I return ever a list? Okay, here I return a list. So I just create the list. Okay. For found marathons. So here I just return found marathons error. Like that. Here at the bottom I return found marathons and nil because there's an error. Okay, that's how I append. So what do I need in a marathon? I guess I can just like get the ID, the name, start, end date. I guess I can just do this, or can I return nil? I can return nil. Yeah, then I don't need you there. No needs to create a variable and waste memory when I do not need it. Anytime there's hallways, well, think of code and programming as just a long hallway you keep walking through until it finally works and that then you're at the end of the hallway. The end of the hallway we're not gonna see today. Hello, Shosho, or yeah, is that how I pronounce your name? I'm just gonna call you Sho if you don't mind. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to my nerd paradise where I'm not gonna crash a website, I swear. Let's see, what was I doing? So I grabbed that. I now need to create variables for all of these. This is fun. Yeah, reformat that for me. Thank you. That's how this works, apparently. 4 rows dot next. I just append that. Okay. So 4 rows. I'm a programmer. I remember. Play baby yellow. What is that? Ooh! Ooh! It worked! It loaded! Ah! Makes me happy. And look at that! It's shown. It's finally loaded. Ah! Sorry, I just need to share that. There you go. Baby in yellow. That's a game. Okay, that looks pretty creepy and weird. And that's not what I'm gonna do today. Today, we're doing this, fixing the software. I can just move you there. I have everything I need from that. Gonna make you a... I apparently cannot do that. Yeah, that is a pretty weird game. And also a mobile game. I don't play mobile games. No, sorry. Scan is positional name based. Got it. I am gonna copy this stuff over. And just fix it as I need. Also, is everything running here? Because I don't think this scene has the new stuff. Alright, no, it should. Oh, wait! I realized... I don't know if I'm going to stream tomorrow. I just realized that I forgot something. You'll see in a moment what I forgot. See, there's chat. And in 3, 2, 1... I forgot to boot up Atom. Anyway, so we have our ID. Let's also get our name. Get name, start date, end date, submission, start date, and submission end date. Let's just break that string up. How do I do language injection? I don't know. You'll probably fine. ID and name. Yeah, AI autocompletion works for once. How do I make a new struct again? Right, okay, so just struct.marathon. Like that. That seems to work. Okay! I did a thing. Do I have any of these marathons though? Let's see. Start date, submission start date. I likely need to boot up the local backend. I am very blind. Private. No. I can speak in Spanish. I can only speak in English and Dutch, unfortunately. Is selection done? No. It's submits open that I'm looking for. Where are what is this? Oh, this is submission start date and submission end date. Which one? Let's just use the last one. So submission start date. Let's make that yesterday. A submission end date. Let's make that next year. Oh. And suddenly the message is gone. Announce accepted. Sure. Donation. What is this? Donation open. True. Apparently that's true by default. Interesting. Cleared. For a charity. Donation. Has incentives. Can edit submissions. Let's keep it this true. Submits open. Submits open. Where are you? Ah, submits open. False. Found ya. Ha ha ha. That is Spanish. Well, thank you for the translation. I would have not been able to guess that. So let's just marathons error SQL. That is a weird thing to happen. If for marathon in marathons, and let's print the marathon name. I should probably set my database URL var. Where do I set my environment variables? Here. Database URL. Those are always in uppercase for some reason. I don't make the rules. And now let's see. You'll do German. I don't know German either. Okay. So that didn't work. What is the length? Null. 0. Tijd is greater or equal to now? Or we're now greater or equal to... I hate how I completely have just lost. There we go. There's submits open is false. One. Who? Flipping it around works. I don't know why. You hate spelling problems. I also hate spelling problems, and apparently I cannot type. I flipped 2 things around, and now, well, it says multiplayer code test, and that in fact is the name of this marathon. What else can we do? Marathon dot start date. Yeah? Yep, that's correct. You know, damn, look at you being all smart and stuff. And then there's me who's like, yeah, I only know this few language. That's it. I need to not accidentally like do this and then press this button. Because then it's gonna look weird and stretched. And this is, how stretched does this look? It's not that bad, but it is stretched. Because again, my screen is more square. Does it work? Yay, it worked. Woo, I'm smart. Ooh, ha. Let's see. Speak one. Sure. Actually, I know 3 language. Because mi paroli la Esperanto iomete. And that's as far as I go with that language. A little bit. I'm still learning. But it's quite fun to learn new languages sometimes. So the times gets parsed properly, and that makes me really happy that it just happens automatically. Let's see. So is this the information we need? Zulu, it's a hard thing to learn. I mean, I see a little bit of English in there. But also that last word I'm not gonna even try to pronounce, you know? It's a weird word. Anyway. Let's see. So, we need that thing, we need the... there. I guess we don't need to, like, we already have marathons to open. There. It's weird to learn and hard to say. More reason to not learn it. Let's name you Error 1. I am very good at variable names. Let's say phone, open, marathon, submissions, marathons. Then I can just do open marathon submission, marathons to open. I don't need time right there. So, and now I can just close the submissions. Right, so what do I need to do here? Open submissions, enable edits for submissions. Something like that. Give you a random language. Flemish. It's the weird language you speak in Belgium. And I mean, like, even though I am like from the country that I am, I do write mostly English these days. It's just easier. So now I need to create a marathon that I need to get submissions closed for. Can I just duplicate? Clone row. I'm gonna name you to close. This needs to have submissions closed. Let's see, submits open. Submits open is true. Can edit is also true. You need to be false for now. Where's the date? Okay, so submissions closed date is today at like 1 in the morning. Oh wait, today it is 23rd today. So let's make that the 23rd. And I don't know. Ooh. Let's say they opened in 2023. Something like that. Like they've been open for a whole year. What's the name? Flemish. Don't worry about not knowing it. I need a way to like parse this, and I'm gonna probably extract some more functions to get marathons from a row. Flemish. Flemish. There, that's how you write it. It's a weird language in Belgium. Apparently they also... I don't know, they didn't speak it here, yeah. It's a weird language. I barely speak it. Like, I can understand them because it has like shared some words with Dutch, but don't ask me to speak it. They're... Ooh! Oh, wait, it's not published? How interesting. How interesting it's not published. Whatever. Let's see. I was going to do copy this function, unfortunately. Find marathon to close submission, where submits open is true and now is greater than the end date. And all the rest is the same. So let's go and run. Yep, there we go. It worked. You might learn it. Good luck. I'm definitely gonna extract the method here. Func build a marathon from rows. So I can now just... Is that not what rows is? What is rows? Oh. pgx.rows. So there we go. Can I... How do I do it again? How do I pass by reference? It'll do. It'll do. Let's see, so found marathons rows. And now I can just remove all of this code. Oh, how clean. Yeah, okay, that still works. Cool. And now when I just need to add a field. Okay, yeah, you moved it. No, you didn't move to the bottom. Whatever. Do I know Makrila? I, in fact, do not know that. Why are you different colors? Whatever. No, I don't think I know it. Okay, see ya. Thank you for stopping by. Let's double check that this still works properly as well. Perfect. It all works as intended. Let's close marathon submissions. Just close submissions. Keep edits enabled. Yeah, I'm sorry, I cannot read that. I, in fact, do not speak or read that language. Okay, so that means that... how am I gonna do this? So I can probably just duplicate this. Marathons to close. And let's rename it to 2 because I can. Fair enough. So this needs to be ran on a timer. Find marathons to close submissions. Let's put the function name in our error log so I know exactly what failed. That is important, I feel like. Let's see. Let's play a little fast game. Nah. I need to get this up and running as soon as possible. Let's see. So I'm likely just gonna do that. See, is there Golang map slice? There's no stream API. That sucks. I really miss Java when I do stuff like this. Yeah. That is fine. Then I just need to make a func get extract IDs marathon.id. Oh, does it work? That works. Marathons, then we return a string. Oh, of course, return V apparently. And I just need to do, yeah. So I just need to rename this to marathon and marathons. And this is marathon.id. What's the time now? The time is currently, it doesn't fit time. It's currently quarter past 4 for me. 4 in the evening, that is. That is fine if you need to sleep before this ends. Like I'm just like doing this, and I decided why not stream while I'm at it, you know? Do I know Barihan? I do not know that language either. Like I said, I only know 2 languages properly. It is Dutch and English, and I'm learning a 3rd, Esperanto. Besides that, I don't know any others. So marathon IDs, there we go. We got our IDs. Now we can just do SQL dot open submissions, marathon IDs. I think that's all I need to do. Close submission. That seems like that's all I need to do for this part. I guess I can just go and for marathon ID log.println opening submissions for marathon and closing. For you, it's 12 in the afternoon. That is, you know, that's fair. Actually, is that AM or PM? It's like you say it's night, right? So wouldn't that then be AM? Like like when it's 12, the AM and PM stuff always confuses me. Oh, you're 1 hour later than me. That is very fair. Why did I put this right in front of that screen? I might not have dinner today. I have plenty of chocolate over here. I'm just melting. Why are you melting? It's not that hot. I mean, it is super hot, but we don't talk about that. There we go. Why no one watching? Because they don't have to. You know? If people don't feel like watching, then I'm not gonna force people to watch. I don't really care about all the clout and stuff. I'm just streaming because I like streaming. I guess what I could do is just only inject this into a function. So, fun build marathon. Where? Query. What am I doing? I am interacting with a database. Where part, that's a string. So I should be able to just copy all this and then do where parts. I think that might work. So I can now just do that. In LEJ comments. How do language injections work again? Oh, okay. SQL. Does that work? HTML. It's just PSQL. SQL. SQL dialect. It should just be PostgreSQL, right? PostgreSQL. So if I turn it into HTML, yeah, that works. Cool. And then I can just grab this little part. That's okay if you need to go. Like if you need to go, just go. No need to apologize. There. That makes my life a little bit easier. Does this mean that I can now split this into multiple parts? Seems like I can still not split this into multiple parts. That is... Nope, still not. That is kind of annoying. But oh well, I'll deal with it. Well, thank you for stopping by. Well, good luck sleeping, because sleep is important. Ooh, my finger is out of focus. Oh! Now my hand is in focus. And now it's not. Are you complaining? You indeed are complaining. What are you complaining about? Nothing, because everything just works fine. What context do I have? Do I have foreground? Main. I guess I only have background. Sleep well. I mean, you don't have to be sorry for not watching. Like, I'm just doing some research into stuff. Got a signal, okay. I guess I can make a function here. Func start timers. And I can just starting timers. Start timers. Dot print line timer started. I don't know what the difference is between these two, but I might as well just be consistent. You know? Be consistent with what I do. Let's see. I quite like how small these functions still are. How do I do timers again? Do I have a timer in the bot? Timer. I do not have a timer in the bot. Oh. You still have morning? Oh, okay. Picture. How does one make a timer again? That's not it. Here it is. Okay. So run everything now. So let's see. How often do I want this timer to run? What is reasonable? Like 24 hours is too long. Yeah. Well, thank you for stopping by, show. Hopefully you enjoyed what you saw. I'll take every 5 minutes to check for updates. Updates. 5 minutes. And let me just wrap this in a go routine to not. Hello, Sparrow. I see that's first from you. Hey, how is your work? Run every on timer tick. Func timer call back. I think I'm just gonna do this. Just run it as a timer callback function. Then in here I can just do go, check for submission, open, close. And with go, I launched as a new go routine, meaning it'll not break at a timer. We don't have to try catch, do we? There's no try catch here. Oh boy. Crashes are crashes. Go lang try catch. How do I do errors? Okay. I also love like if error is not equals nil. I prefer to do error is nil, but okay. Oh, we can make custom errors. Interesting. Oh, that's right. You're deferring this, right? I don't know why they're deferring this, but okay. Panic. Okay, that is quite funny. But I should continue here. So let's see, right? If I press this button. Did it not work? It's finished. Why did it finish? Oh no. Uh-oh. Do I need to do this? Is this the problem? Okay. Okay, that's the problem. I was like, uh-oh. Did something break? But yeah. I need to keep this thread going, because if I move it to a go routine, it'll just stop working once the code is done. That makes a lot of sense. So it likely also means, can I Control C in here? Yeah. That if I throw this to a go routine, yeah, it'll just shut down before it's done. Timers have finished. Right? Yeah. Oh. Timers have finished. And this I can move. Oh, such a clean function. Just 3 lines of code. And I'm just gonna run the callback normally, and then I guess dispatch this on the go routine to have it handled as much as possible in the background. Yeah, little itch. But hey, this works. Initial setup works. Let's just push this so I have a backup. Let's see. So now we have our timer. Next step is to implement these things. I need to find a way to join. And I think I find that way here. Here we go. I think this is what I want. So let's copy these 2 comments over. Because that is what I want to do. And then let's do magic. Let's make magic happen. Marathon IDs. Marathon IDs sparse. Let's see what happens here. Perfect. V equals spend test. Oh, that is perfect. This is exactly what I want. Actually, I need to Golang replace all in string. Let's see. So we need my replacer. I need to do this here. I need to do this here. I'll make a function for this after this. So we have my replacer. And I guess I'll just do that. That. So replace a double quote with a single quote. Let's say Marathon's ID parsed is placer dot place Marathon's ID parsed. So if I do this now, they're all single quotes. Perfect. Func parse IDs to list IDs, and those is just a string array, and I wanted to just return a string. And let's return IDs parsed, so I can just say IDs. IDs parsed. That's how we do that. So we can now parse IDs to list. Say marathon IDs. Now we don't need all this. So Sparrow, how was your day today at your job? I think I already asked that. I am not entirely sure anymore. I am very focused at what I'm doing. Need to write the SQL. So we have marathon IDs parsed from marathon. Update. This is gonna be an update query. Update. Hi. Update. Marathon set. Submits open is true. Can edit submissions equals true. Where ID in these marathon IDs? Let's see. Print line SQL. Yeah, look at that. It works. Lovely. So all I need to do now is actually execute the query. So let's do this. Ignore that. Failed to open marathon submissions. Then let's just print it like that. Actually, what did this person do? You just ran a... I hate how my nose is just itchy. I love hay fever. It's the most wonderful thing ever. Not. Honestly, it's not. Okay. I guess I could just panic. Panic on the error. Right. I could, but I won't. This'll do. Unhandled error. I don't care about that unhandled error. So, and now I just need to do pretty much the same here. Set you to false, but you can still be edited, so this query is a lot simpler. In theory. I'm not gonna run this yet. So in theory, we have now done this. Mark submissions open. Literally that's just that, right? Yeah, open submissions. So it literally just sets submissions open through and can edit submissions through. Yeah. So I am doing the exact same things. That is good. Event schedule servers. Well, I can't wait to just, pull this out. Make sure this code is no longer running. Actually, I'm gonna quickly insert a constructor and just... Are you running? Quickly double checking to make sure it's not running. Ooh, that's fine. Also red text, it's fine. Oh god. Oh. Oh, we should look at that. We already know it's not being called because stuff just died. Perfect. Consider adding this bean to your types. Consider absolutely doing nothing anymore because I'm going to strip this out. It's not needed anymore. So this can be commented out. This can be commented out. This can be commented out. Then you can just go as well. And in theory, application will boot up again. Perfect. Coding, Oengus web app. Let's boot up the front end. That is fine. Yes, I have drank water. I should probably refill my water bottle in a bit. But first, I have way too many tabs open. What is this? Audio drive. Yeah, I don't need that right now. Okay, so you currently have submissions closed. Oh boy, what happened? But your submissions open is yesterday. Okay, so you should get your submissions open soon. If I run this code. Let's run the code. I think that worked. Bam, bam, bam. Let's set you on like 1630. So if I submit you now, I just need to wait for the timer to tick in a couple minutes. And if that happens, these submissions should be closed again. And then it just works. Then it works. Then I can just completely strip out that scheduler service. Because, you know, I have a little cool microservice. Come on. What's gonna start faster, Twitch ads or this? I mean, this runs every 5 minutes. I think that is reasonable enough. It's like, hey, there's a little cash, please wait for this. It's not gonna happen immediately. I can justify this 5-minute timer. It's like, hey, would you rather have to wait 5 minutes or have an unstable platform? I think people can wait 5 minutes. That's how I'm gonna justify this. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly refill my water bottle, so give me a moment. Sorry. Ugh. I always love it when, you know, I tell my mom something and she is gonna she's going full in with like disagreeing with me and full arguments. And then a couple hours later, like right now, I was able to tell her, I told you so. Love it. Love it when that happens. I mean, it feels so good to be right sometimes. Anyway, we are waiting for the timer to tick. While we wait, I mean, I guess I could speed it up for development or like have. I guess I could make this an environment variable. I guess I could make this an environment variable. I'm gonna not reboot this. Because, you know, but I am definitely gonna make this an environment variable. Uh, Timer interval equal parse int Base is 10. OS dot get n. Does it work? Um. Oh! Wait, is it not closing the submissions properly? Oh! Oh, no, no. Yeah, wait, close submissions. That should work. Why you no work? Okay, something to figure out in a bit. First. Ah, this is how we do that. So let's make a new directory called utils. I'm gonna make this utils.go. Oh my god, I am doing this in the wrong project. New directory utils. You go file OS utils. There. I can say utils.getEnv and make a do it like that. GetEnv default is 5. Timer interval minutes. And make you 5. That's how you do stuff. There you go. And for this configuration, I can just say I want to be 1. Just like that. So 21 minutes. Do I ever parse a string here? Like, I'm just thinking and looking up. Okay, Golang a string to int. Oh, it's A to E? Oh, let me get an error. Error. If error is not equal to nil. Nil, let's just panic on the error. And here we can just say timer interval times minutes. Of course, we don't give a base here. Time dot Golang a duration from int. Oh, time dot duration. Okay. Time dot That works. Yeah, it's just N64. Okay. So this should work now. Also, let's refresh our marathons. So you are finding where submits open is true and now is greater or equal than submission end date. Where submits open? Here. But it's false. Like I'm doing an and, right? Yeah, and. Wait, why are you finding them? This makes no sense. Huh? So it's like it's still doing it. Wait, it's opening them as well? Hold up. Let's run this query. All right, let's run this query in the database. Give me a console. Okay, this works, right? Where submits open is false. Oh. I need to check that the close date not also has passed. And submit end date is less than equal to now. I think that's it. Okay. If when marathon is equal to no, we're just gonna return. Same thing here. If it's empty, we're just gonna return. And now it works. We found nothing. So that makes sense. You open it, and then we immediately need to close them. So yeah, that does make sense. What just happened? There you are. So let's make the closing date 1703 2. Save. Right, so submissions are now open. Now we just need to wait. Actually, let's make it 1701. Because submissions are now open. And in 1 minute, they should all be closed. Hopefully. If everything goes to plan. Oh, I'm so sorry for my blinking cursor. I wish I could do anything to fix it, but that's remote desktop for you. Maybe I can flick. Just fix. Oh, no. That is worse. Yeah, let's give me full colors, please. Okay, hey, code test. Submissions closed. Here we go. Please have the submissions closed. Alright, because... submissions are still open. Right, okay, right. So, they're now made open. Because the open date was had not passed yet. Oh god, what did I do? Where is my application? There's my application. Okay. My alt tabs are returned. Ha, yes. Okay, there you go. Set submits open false. Submits open false. There we go. Yeah, this works. This worked exactly as I wanted to work. Awesome. I'm gonna respond to a message and get some food. Who can I raid? Who can I raid? Nobody that I would normally raid is live right now. Then that is fine, you know. Thank you all for stopping by. I'm gonna be happy and do a little dance off stream. So I'm happy that my stuff works. Thank you all for stopping by, and I'll see you all next stream. Whenever that may be. I don't know when that's gonna be.